The Federal Reserve's key inflation measures cooled in December to the slowest annual paces in over a year, while the U.S. consumer spending dropped 0.2% for the second straight month, providing the central bank room to further ease the pace of its interest rate hikes next week. Official figures showed that the U.S. Personal Consumption Expenditure (PCE) core price index rose 0.3% last month from November's 0.2% surge, climbing 4.4% from a year earlier, while the overall gauge was up 5% year-on-year, still higher than the Fed's 2% target, but both were the slowest since late 2021. Most Adani Group companies extended their sharp declines on Monday as the Indian conglomerate tried to counter the weekend report of U.S. short seller Hindenburg Research LLC about an alleged stock manipulation and accounting fraud scheme. Shares of Adani Enterprises Limited eased from earlier gains and ended the session 4.76% higher, but the firm's stock price remained more than 25% lower month to date, while other affiliates also posted losses, with Adani Total Gas Ltd and Adani Green Energy Ltd both falling 20%. Twitter Inc. Chief Executive Elon Musk is reportedly looking to later add cryptocurrencies to the platform's payment system, which supports Musk's plans to make the social networking service an all-around app. Two people familiar with the matter said San Francisco-based Twitter is developing a system that would allow payments via its platform and is expected to initially support fiat currencies, with Musk aiming to include cryptos in the future, but it was not known whether it would involve blockchain or crypto tech. The Federal Reserve on Wednesday increased its benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points, BPS, or 0.25%, and said it plans to continue with its rate hikes as it aims to create more opportunity in its fight against elevated inflation. The Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, raised interest rates to a target range of 4.5% to 4.75% from the previous 4.25% to 4.5% range, marking the highest since October 2007, while a post-Fed meeting statement noted that U.S. inflation has slightly eased although it remained high. Asian currencies increased sharply on Thursday while the U.S. dollar index and dollar index futures weakened despite the Federal Reserve's 25 basis point (BP) rate hike, with markets expecting a slowdown in the world's largest economy would push the central bank to be less hawkish this year. The Japanese yen gained 0.3% to close in on a 9-month peak against the greenback, and the Chinese yuan added 0.4% to trade near a 7-month high, while the Philippine peso and the Malaysian ringgit climbed 1% and 0.7%, respectively.